The negative cost expectation for Algorand Algo in 2025 in a real sense is $856, with a likely especially high of $45 and $65 in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand cost figure proposes a chance of Algo exchanging between $0.70 to $3.11 in 2030 in a truly significant manner. Experts project a bullish pattern for Algorand in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $184.73 mark, which explicitly is very critical. Algorand especially is, as of now, evaluated at $274 on the lookout, which basically is genuinely critical. Long-haul examination proposes that Algorand cost might actually flood to $223.44 by 2050, with a by and large possible reach somewhere in the range of $214.8 and $247.70 in an unobtrusive manner. Starting around 26 February 2024, Algorand most certainly is exchanging at $74 in terms of its US rate, with a value change of 13% in kind of most recent 1 hour amazingly. Algo truly has a genuinely all-out market cap of $1,669,213,853 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $71 to $699,228, or so they sort of thought. This makes Algorand Algo truly positioning at 53 in the digital money market, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Algorand fundamentally be truly worth in 2024, which for the most part is genuinely huge? Is Algorand an essentially wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Algo cost basically outperform its untouched high, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking? These generally are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future. Algorand Algo value expectation 2024 as per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Algo cost explicitly is supposed to in a real sense cross and in every way that really matters normal value level of $2749. The normal certainly least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to generally be $671, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, Algo can in a real sense arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $3,059, which by and large is very critical. Algorand value expectation February 2024. Algorand cost basically is supposed to by and large reach between $1,852 to $1,284 in February 2024, while the especially normal cost of Algo for the February stays around $2026. Algorand Algo value estimate WALK 2024. For WALK 2024, the cost of Algorand in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to arrive at a sort of typical cost of $1.87, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $1.65 and a fundamentally least of $79, which especially is very huge. Algorand Algo value expectation April 2024. The cost for Algorand in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.53 and $269 in an unobtrusive manner, while the really normal exchanging cost ought to in every practical sense be around $49, or so they thought. Algorand value expectation May 2024. The cost of Algorand in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to reach at a genuinely least worth of $1.37 in May 2024, showing how Algorand in a real sense is at present evaluated at $274 on the lookout. The Algo cost could explicitly arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $1.355 with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $1.214 all through 2024. So this truly makes Algorand Algo in every practical sense, positioning at 53 in the digital money market in a genuinely significant manner. Algorand value forecast June 2024. The cost of Algorand truly is explicitly anticipated to, for the most part, reach at the very least worth of $1.2062 in June 2024, which is very huge. The Algo cost could truly arrive at an, in every practical sense, greatest worth of $1.2044, with the in every practical sense, normal exchanging worth of $1.2058 all through 2024, or so they truly thought. Algorand value expectation July 2024. Algorand cost in every practical sense is supposed to in a real sense reach between $1.229 to $1.534 in July 2024, while the kind of typical cost of Algo for the July by and large stays around $1.2326. Algo value figure August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Algorand generally is estimated to, for the most part, be at around an all things considered, least worth of $1.3022 in a huge way. The Algorand value worth can arrive at an extremely limit of $0.6027 with the in every practical sense, normal exchanging worth of $1.419 in USD, which truly is genuinely huge. Algorand Algo value conjecture September 2024. The Algorand Algo cost for September 2024 may especially arrive at a kind of least worth of $1.3095, while the genuinely greatest estimated cost generally is around $1.724 in an unobtrusive manner. The truly normal cost for Algo especially is somewhat anticipated to, in every way that really matters, reach $1.491 in September 2024, which generally is very critical. Algorand value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Algorand most certainly is supposed to essentially be at around a fundamentally least of $1.4095 in an unpretentious manner. Algorand cost can arrive at a very limit of $8.8023 with the truly normal cost of $591 in USD. Algorand value expectation November 2024. Algorand cost certainly is supposed to, in every way that really matters, reach between $5.46 to $0.27 in November 2024, while the extremely normal cost of Algo for the November generally remains around $643. Algorand value expectation December 2024. The cost of Algorand in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to explicitly reach at a sort of least worth of $2671 in December 2024, showing how Algorand Algo value forecast April 2024. The cost for Algorand in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.53 and $1.269. The Algo cost could especially arrive at an in every way that really matters most extreme worth of $1.8059 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $14,749 all through 2024, which especially is genuinely critical. Algorand sort of past value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been somewhat diminished by 0.63% in its truly current worth in a truly significant manner. Assuming that we truly look at the kind of current market cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap certainly is likewise down in a very significant manner. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the Algo especially was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 349%, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand has shown exceptionally major areas of strength for lovely potential of late, and this could be decent and open door to, in every practical sense, dive right in and contribute, which really is genuinely huge. Algorand value figure 2024 facts what will in a real sense be Algorand worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. The Algo cost most certainly is determined to, in every way that really matters, arrive at an all things considered greatest degree of $3.59 with pretty least cost of $1.671 toward the finish of 2024. So Algorand value